In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo on Strava. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a picture to one of your activities so your run, ride, or hike tells the full story. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. Giving the app a moment to fully load helps, especially if your feed is busy. If you haven't updated in a while, having the latest version ensures the buttons and screens look as expected, but the process is the same at its core. Next, go to the activity where you want the photo to appear. You can get there from your home feed by tapping the activity card or by visiting your profile and opening it from your list of recent activities. Once you're on the activity details screen, look for the three dots menu or the edit activity option. Depending on your device, the three dots are usually at the top right, while edit activity may appear as a button on the page. Inside the edit view, select Add Photos. This opens your choices. You can pick a photo from your gallery or take a brand new one using your camera. If your phone asks for permission to access your photos or camera, go ahead and allow it so Strava can attach the image. This prompt is normal and only appears the first time on many devices. If you choose your gallery, browse to the album you want and tap the image or images you'd like to attach. Many phones let you select more than one at a time, which is useful for adding a few highlights from your activity. If you opt to take a new photo, your camera will open. Frame your shot, take the picture, and confirm the selection to send it back to Strava. With your photo or photos selected, finish up by tapping the confirmation button. This may appear as done, save, or upload, depending on your device and app version. Strava will attach the images to the activity and start uploading. A strong data or Wi-Fi connection helps your photos post quickly, especially if the files are large. After the upload completes, your images will appear on the activity page and in your feed, enhancing your story for anyone who views it. Keep in mind that photos generally follow the same visibility as the activity itself. For best results, choose clear, well-lit images and avoid sharing anything that reveals personal or sensitive details. That's it. Open Strava, pick your activity, tap the menu or edit activity, add your photos, and save. Enjoy showcasing your moments right alongside your stats.